The Hindu for aspirants. Today's important articles for UPSC. Let's start. This article talks about how India is preparing for GLOF events, important from geographical and disaster management perspective. It stands for glacial lake outburst flood, as due to rise in temperature and tectonic activities, the glaciers are melting and form a body of water. See this image how present to future growth of lake is increased, and two-thirds of the GLOF events are caused by the landslide and avalanches. And India has to prepare for it because we have 7,500 glacial lakes. And India has many transboundary rivers. For early warning, we need support from the neighbors like China for the hydrological data and information. And NDMA has given a strategy important for your UPSC mains hazard assessment at risk level using technology by installing automated water and the weather stations and reducing risk by releasing down water level and need of community engagement. A teamwork is needed. Prime Minister paid tribute to Rajendra Chola first and his father Rajaraj Chola and released a coin in the honor of Rajendra Chola first. For UPSC, see this Chola dynasty and its economic and strategic investment, its famous temple, its powerful navy and diplomatic trade relations. और 2025 में भी यूपीएससी ने इस पे क्वेश्चन पूछा था. Try this and write answer in comments. Tungabhadra Dam, also called as Pampasagar Dam, is in news because of its flood alert. For UPSC, see its geographical angle. Example, it is a tributary of Krishna River. See its location on the map and try this question. Now see its historical angle. Example, Hampi, the capital of Vijayanagar Empire and important temple, Virupaksha, also lies on the banks of the Tungabhadra River. And try this UPSC Prelims 2023 question and post your answer in comments. दिस आर्टिकल टॉक्स अबाउट इलेक्टोरल रोल रिवीजन गोइंग ऑन इन बिहार. पहले 8 एंड 9 जुलाई में हमने इस टॉपिक को पहले भी कवर किया है और आज हम कवर करेंगे कि हैज़ द इलेक्शन कमीशन द राइट टू चेक सिटीजनशिप. So there are the points to support in that. Article 324, important for the prelims as well, gives Election Commission the right to check the electoral roll revision from time to time. And Article 326 checks the person who is 18-year-old and citizen of India can cast vote. Section 16 of the RPA Act 1950, which says that if a person is not a citizen of India, shall be disqualified. And one extra point for prelims, that Aadhaar is not to be used as a proof of citizenship, but for Aadhaar we use the demographic and the biometric information.